Hi, my name is Rick Valdez. I'd like to welcome you to the Ocaso booth here at SHOT Show 2026. So let me show you what's new for 2026 and what we have adding to our lineup. If you guys are familiar with Andrew Demko with Demko Knives, this is a project I have going on with him. This is the Regis. It's got MagnaCut, titanium, and titanium hardware with his proprietary shark lock. This is going to be made out of Pennsylvania, and this will be available in about 90 days. So this is a USA production piece. Another USA company is Toor Knives, T-O-O-R. They're out of San Diego. This is the Sevra MagnaCut. This is ironwood handle. That is polished black G10. Comes with a leather sheath. So very sleek, slim, gentleman style fixed blade knife. I'm also working with Big Idea Design. So Matt Kelsey is the designer of their knives and the Lookout, which is very popular and it's out there. And this is made by Ria, and it's M390 titanium scales and titanium hardware. And this will be available in about 90 days. Savranto. Savranto was released last year, but we just got it out into the market at the end of last year. And it's been doing really well. What's neat about this piece is it comes with a clip, but you could also take it off, and in the package there'll be a cover. So you can wear this with or without a clip. MagnaCut also, titanium, and this is out of Italy. So we also like working with anodization, so we'll have an anodization version of that soon.
All right.
Over here, you have our signature pieces that we started out with Ocaso, the Solstice. So Andrew Demko is the designer of the Solstice, and as you can see, we have different variations of this. Titanium, carbon fiber, different blade shapes. We got harpoon. Flipper, S35VN steel, running on a bearing system in there. Then it also has a straight blade or a Wharncliffe blade.
Oh,
The automatic knives here is Solstice inspired, so we try to keep it sleek and slim. So we have silver, we have green, we have black, and this is an out the front. And this is made by Bestech. And that's California compliant, 1.9 inches in the blade length.
very nice.
And then we have different handle designs too. So there's a pinstripe. There's some circles. And then we're calling that an S-curve clip point.
All right.
Anything
Thank you
else?
so much.
Thank you so much for coming by.